September 19th at 10. Animal Planet, surprisingly human.
Back with the Cairn Terriers, the snow is thawing, and there's no need for the warmth of a fire for 6 bustling pups. Tiny Tracker Doogie is still trying to lay eyes on the mysterious stranger. The pup won't give up. The cat won't give in. And finally, Doogie looks up. It's a strange sight. And now that Doogie's found him, the spinning stranger is way out of the little pup's reach. Until, that is, the cat's inner dinner bell draws him down to ground level. And Doogie sees his chance to get nose to... The little pup doesn't let a slippery floor slow him down. And more impressed with her spick and span squad. She's especially proud of little girl Pearl, who's helping the family clean up after dinner. But Rebel Dad Major isn't sold on the need for neatness. In his little boy Bandit's eyes, this is a hero indeed.
There's another girl named
The pup's ready to get this hotshot's attention. But it seems Dad has more pressing matters to attend to. Until Bandit spots the perfect object to really make an impression. Bandit's sister Pearl can't believe her eyes and sets off to report her brother's mess. Bandit can run, but he's not so good at hiding. Better hope that's not Mom coming. But it's his dad, Major. And he thinks his pup's made a fine mess. Almost as good as he could make himself. And Bandit's finally got his dad's full attention. Coming up, Doogie's magnetic personality finally gets someone's attention. And Bandit got stuck in another tight spot.
Not funny.
Spring has come to the Cairn Terrier's neck of the woods. Mom Hershey can finally lead her pups into the sunshine. Geronimo couldn't be happier with the arrangement. At last, he's got the house to himself again. Out in the farmyard, the pups make some new acquaintances. And Doogie shows a special interest. The pup who wasn't successful at winning over the cat now tries his luck befriending this bristly pair. peace and
You can
quiet
move.
is feeling like it's a little too quiet. He kinda got used to all that puppy attention. The cat's relieved to see the pup isn't getting far with those guys either. Doogie heads home without any new friends. But he's not ready to give up trying to make friends with the first fellow he found. And today, for the first time, Geronimo doesn't try to get away. Sometimes a little absence can make the heart grow fonder. Over at the Samoyed's house, a tidy mom's work is never done, especially when your other half is always leaving his stuff all over the house. But at least Mom has a sidekick in Pearl, who's helping pick up after her untidy dad. As for Major, he can't wait to get these spotless pups outdoors and muddy them up a bit. And with Mom busy just making sure that all's still in order, Dad gets his chance. Bandit's out the door first, eager to take in his rugged pup's every move. Bandit can't wait to get down and dirty himself. Until he gets so down that he can't get out. Lucky Dad's there to dig him out of a hole. But some situations, even a hero dad can't solve. Time for these soggy Samoyeds to run for cover and head home. That is, if home will have them. Roxy finally lets her messy troop back in. But only on one condition. Roxy singles out Bandit to make double and triple sure that her little boy is spotless. And that's when Bandit realizes getting messy with Dad might be fun, but getting clean with Mom is pretty nice too. And now a peek behind the scenes of Too Cute, brought to you by Honda. Those tenacious little terriers sure showed an interest in the camera. And the cameraman. And filming a bath scene with 7 splashy Samoyeds had its hazards.